In this video, I'll show you how to add a TikTok pixel to Shopify using the TikTok app and TikTok Ads Manager. This is the easier method because you don't need to manually paste pixel code into your Shopify theme. First, open your Shopify admin. From the left-hand menu, go to Apps. If you already have the TikTok app installed, open TikTok. If you don't have it installed yet, go to the Shopify App Store and search for TikTok. Then add the TikTok app to your Shopify store. Once the TikTok app is open, start the setup process. You'll usually need to connect your TikTok for Business account. Then connect your TikTok Business Center. After that, connect your TikTok Ads Manager account. Once your accounts are connected, look for the data sharing or marketing settings section. You may see options like Standard, Enhanced, or Maximum. Choose the option that works best for your store and privacy setup. Usually this is Maximum. Now look for the TikTok Pixel section. You should have the option to create a new pixel or connect an existing pixel from your TikTok Ads Manager account. If this is your first time setting it up, click Create Pixel. Give the pixel a clear name, such as your store name. Then continue through the setup. If you already created a pixel inside TikTok Ads Manager, choose the existing pixel from the drop-down instead. Once the pixel is selected, finish the setup and save the changes. Go over to the TikTok Ad Manager and you can now start a campaign. And the pixel should show in the drop-down. You may have to refresh. Also, you might not be able to select purchase straight away, but eventually it will pull the event data through and allow it to be selected. I won't run through setting up a campaign as lots of people do it lots of different ways, so check out some other videos on this process. Now to check the pixel, open TikTok Ads Manager, go to Tools, then open Events Manager. Click on Data Sources on the left, then click on the pixel you linked. Next, click on Overview to see any events that have triggered. If the setup is working, TikTok should start receiving events from your Shopify store. Some events may not appear instantly, so give it a little time if nothing shows straight away. And that's it. You've now added a TikTok pixel to Shopify using the TikTok app and TikTok Ads Manager.